Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll walk you through the easy steps to reset your Macard Wi-Fi Range Extender. If you're facing connectivity problems or just need a fresh start, resetting can help. Follow along as we get your extender back on track. To begin, make sure your Macard Wi-Fi Range Extender is properly plugged into a power outlet and turned on. Confirm that the device is receiving power by checking that the LED indicators are illuminated before proceeding to the next step. Locate the reset button on your Macard Wi-Fi Range Extender. This button is typically small and recessed, often found on the side or back of the device. You might need a pointed object, like a paperclip, to press it. Take a paperclip or another pointed tool and press down on the reset button firmly for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Watch for the LED indicators on the extender to start blinking, which signals that the reset process has commenced. After holding the reset button, release it and allow the extender to reboot. This process might take a few minutes. You'll see the LED lights become steady, which confirms that the extender has been successfully restored to its original factory settings. Now that your extender is reset, you'll need to reconfigure it to connect to your existing Wi-Fi network. Follow the setup instructions provided in the user manual or check out our video on how to set up the Macard Wi-Fi Range Extender for a step-by-step guide. After completing the setup, your Macard Wi-Fi Range Extender will be fully operational. You'll be able to enjoy a stronger and more extended Wi-Fi signal throughout your home, improving your overall connectivity.